Welcome back to the channel. You need to watch this if you struggle with productivity. ChatGPT, your new productivity sidekick. Imagine having a tool that can assist you in almost every aspect of your daily tasks, making your life easier and more efficient. That's exactly what ChatGPT offers. ChatGPT is a powerful tool. It's designed to help you streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. Whether you're coding, writing, or managing projects, ChatGPT can be your go-to assistant. It can help you get more done. It uses artificial intelligence to understand your needs and provide relevant assistance. Imagine having an assistant that never sleeps, always ready to help you tackle your to-do list. This AI understands and creates human-like text. It's like having a conversation with a knowledgeable friend who can provide you with the information you need when you need it. Think of it as a super smart assistant. It can help you draft emails, generate reports, and even brainstorm ideas for your next big project. You can ask it questions. Whether you're looking for quick answers or in-depth explanations, ChatGPT is there to provide you with accurate and helpful information. You can give it tasks. From setting reminders to managing your calendar, ChatGPT can handle a variety of tasks to keep you organized and on track. It can write different kinds of content. Whether you need a blog post, an article, or even a social media update, ChatGPT can generate high-quality text tailored to your needs. This includes emails, articles, and even code. Imagine the time you'll save by having ChatGPT handle these tasks for you, allowing you to focus on more important aspects of your work. ChatGPT is easy to use. Its user-friendly interface ensures that you can start benefiting from its capabilities right away, without any steep learning curve. You don't need to be a tech whiz. It's accessible to everyone. Whether you're tech-savvy or not, ChatGPT is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate. Whether you're a student, a business owner, or just looking to simplify your life, ChatGPT can help. It can assist with research, manage your business operations, or even help you plan your day. This isn't about replacing humans, it's about empowering us. ChatGPT is designed to complement your skills and enhance your productivity, not replace you. ChatGPT can handle the tedious tasks. From data entry to scheduling, it can take care of the repetitive work, freeing you up to focus on more creative and strategic activities. This frees you up to focus on what matters. Whether it's spending more time on your passion projects or simply enjoying some well-deserved free time, ChatGPT helps you make the most of your day. Working smarter, not harder. In today's fast-paced world, efficiency is key. We all strive to get more done in less time, without compromising on quality. This is where ChatGPT comes into play. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can help you with a multitude of tasks, from drafting emails to generating reports. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality with ChatGPT. Imagine writing reports in half the time. With ChatGPT, you can streamline your writing process, allowing you to focus on more critical aspects of your job. It can help you draft, edit, and even polish your documents to perfection. Picture automating your email responses. No more spending hours sifting through your inbox. ChatGPT can handle routine queries, draft responses, and even prioritize your emails, ensuring you never miss an important message. ChatGPT can make this a reality. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps, always ready to assist you with your tasks, making your workday smoother and more efficient. Need to analyze large data sets? ChatGPT can help. It can sift through vast amounts of data, identify key trends, and present them in an easy-to-understand format, saving you countless hours of manual analysis. It can identify trends and patterns. This capability is invaluable for making informed business decisions, allowing you to stay ahead of the competition and adapt to changing market conditions. This can inform your business decisions. By leveraging ChatGPT's analytical prowess, you can make data-driven decisions that propel your business forward, ensuring you are always on the cutting edge. Stuck on a creative problem? We all hit mental blocks from time to time, but ChatGPT can be your brainstorming partner, offering fresh perspectives and innovative solutions. ChatGPT can brainstorm with you. Whether you're looking for new marketing strategies, product ideas, or creative content, ChatGPT can provide a wealth of suggestions to spark your creativity. It can generate new ideas and solutions. By collaborating with ChatGPT, you can explore a wide range of possibilities, ensuring that you never run out of innovative ideas. This can boost your productivity and innovation. With ChatGPT by your side, you can achieve more, think outside the box, and bring your best ideas to life. Remember, ChatGPT is a tool. You are in control. It's designed to assist you, not replace you. Use it to enhance your capabilities and streamline your workflow. Use it to automate tasks, generate ideas, and streamline your workflow. Embrace the future of work with ChatGPT and unlock your full potential. ChatGPT for the everyday go-getter. ChatGPT isn't just for work. It can simplify your personal life too. Struggling to stick to your fitness goals? ChatGPT can create a personalized meal plan. It can even suggest workout routines. Need help managing your finances? ChatGPT can track your spending. It can help you create a budget. These are just a few examples. ChatGPT can handle a wide range of personal tasks. This gives you more time for the things you enjoy. Bringing ChatGPT to the boardroom. Businesses are using ChatGPT in innovative ways. Some use it for customer service. ChatGPT can answer questions and resolve issues. This frees up human agents for complex cases. Others use ChatGPT for marketing. It can generate compelling ad copy. It can even create social media content. This can save businesses time and money. The possibilities are endless. The key is to experiment. Find out how ChatGPT can best serve your business needs. ChatGPT's kryptonite common traps and how to dodge them. ChatGPT is a powerful tool, but it's not perfect. It can sometimes make mistakes. It's important to double-check its output. Don't blindly trust everything it generates. Another trap is over-reliance. ChatGPT is a tool, not a replacement for human judgment. Use it to augment your skills, not replace them. Finally, remember that ChatGPT is constantly learning. Its output can vary. What works today might not work tomorrow. Stay informed about updates and changes. Level up your ChatGPT game. Ready to take your ChatGPT skills to the next level? Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, there's always room for improvement. ChatGPT is a powerful tool, but like any tool, it requires practice and finesse to master. Here are a few tips to help you get the most out of it. First, be specific. When you provide detailed prompts, ChatGPT can give you more accurate and relevant responses. The more specific your prompts, the better the output. For example, instead of asking for a story, ask for a short story about a young girl who discovers a hidden talent for painting. Don't be afraid to give ChatGPT detailed instructions. The more context you provide, the better it can understand your needs and deliver the content you're looking for. Second, experiment with different formats. ChatGPT is versatile and can generate various types of text, from essays and articles to poems and dialogues. Try asking for bullet points, outlines, or even scripts. This can help you see the different ways ChatGPT can organize and present information. For instance, if you're working on a project, you might ask ChatGPT to create an outline first, then expand each point into a detailed paragraph. Finally, provide feedback. Let ChatGPT know what you liked and didn't like about its responses. This will help it learn and improve its output over time. The more you interact with ChatGPT and guide it, the better it will become at meeting your needs. So, keep practicing, experimenting, and providing feedback. With time and effort, you'll be able to level up your ChatGPT game and unlock its full potential. The AI revolution is here, are you in? ChatGPT is just the tip of the iceberg. AI is rapidly changing the world. It's impacting every industry. Those who embrace it will thrive. Those who ignore it risk being left behind. This isn't science fiction. This is the reality we live in. The future belongs to those who can leverage the power of AI. The question is, are you ready to join the AI revolution? The choice is yours. Disclaimer, this changes everything. This essay is for informational purposes only. It's not financial or professional advice. The use of AI tools is at your own risk. Understand that AI technology is constantly evolving. Information presented here may become outdated. Always stay informed about the latest developments in AI. Remember, the future is unwritten. The choices you make today will shape your tomorrow. Choose wisely. Actionable insights. Make AI your ally. Ready to put AI to work for you? Start by exploring ChatGPT. Experiment with different prompts. See how it can simplify your work and personal life. Embrace a growth mindset. Be open to learning new skills. The more you learn about AI, the better equipped you'll be for the future. The AI revolution is here. Make it your ally and unlock your full potential. Start your AI journey today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.